It is only 1 o'clock and I've already got my Christmas pyjama bottoms on. Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. As you can tell, it is the first of my many Christmas videos on my channel because if there's one thing that I love about the year, it is November and December, Christmas time. I do love October and autumn with all my heart, but there's just something special about the build up to Christmas itself, and that weird limbo period between Christmas Day and New Year's Eve, and I just love it so much. And I thought I'd pay, not homage, but do a lot of like Christmas videos on my channel this year. And I don't know if I want to do Vlogmas yet because it depends on how my work shifts go, but for now, I've got some blog posts coming for Vlogmas in December, so keep your eyes peeled for those. And let's get into today's video. So as you can tell by the title, it is a festive Primark haul because they literally packed out and decorated the whole store with Christmas jumpers, decorations, bags, makeup, key rings, you name it. They have it, and I may have spent around £40 inside with 2 massive bags of goodies, which I can't wait to share with you guys. And there is an accidental running theme in this haul, which you guys will probably figure out as I show you guys all the products, but yeah, it's my favourite accidental theme to date because, as a hint, it's one of my favourite things to watch at Christmas time. So if you guys want to see what I picked up and what Primark have to offer for Christmas decorations and all that jazz, then carry on watching. So I want to start with the first bag because I did actually go on 2 separate days. So the first day I got a jumper and some really cute socks. So I'm going to show you guys those. And I have like way too many. I keep telling myself I have like too many Christmas jumpers, but Primark always put it off. I mean, I've got this really cute pug one with mistletoe and kisses like a couple years ago, no, 3 years ago, and it's definitely one of my favourites. But when I saw this one, I'm like, I don't care. I'm definitely going to make room in my wardrobe for these, and I'm so glad I picked it up. For £13 I think it was. No, £14, I got this amazing jumper. So at the back you got like the classic sort of festive detailing. I always feel like it's Danish, sort of the European festive inspired, you know, like German sort of stuff. And then on the front it has the Grinch. Oh, you can't see him. Look at him. Oh my gosh, I actually screamed when I saw this. Look! You can see it better now. Yay! I literally can't wait to wear this. I got this in a 6/8, which is extra small because they do come out quite oversized this year because they changed the sizings for some reason, but it's called new improved sizing. But I'm literally so stoked to wear this. And hopefully my workplace is doing a Christmas jumper day, so I will be saving this for this. So I'm so happy, and I love the Grinch. The Grinch, apart from Elf and Muppets Christmas Carol, is hands down one of my favourite ever films, and I've watched it ever since I was a child. So happy about this. And the other thing I got was a boring pair of cozy shoe liners for £1.80 because the ones I've got are like really disgusting. I've got like holes in them, so these are going to be perfect for those cold December days doing Christmas shifts and keeping my feet nice and toasty. It's just really fluffy and soft, and yeah, I love these. Primark do the best shoe liner socks ever. And then the day I'm filming this, I went to Primark again yesterday, which was a Monday, and I picked up a lot more things, like hell of a lot more things. And I feel like the Primark I went to, which is near where I work, is much better than the one I went to on Saturday where I got the jumper. So yeah, and I'm just going to start with the other product that is doing the accidental Canon theme. Probably guess what it is. It is a Grinch theme. And when I saw these, I literally screamed out loud. And I was on my own, mind you, in Primark. So, and as soon as I saw this, because I was looking for the cute little fox slipper socks that were like out of stock in the other Primark, but when I saw these I was like, no, these are going in my basket because these are so cute, so funny, and the best things I've ever seen since Primark did, what did they do? The Bambi collection, and that's saying something. And they are. For £4 I got new slipper sock things that are Grinch feet. Yes, my friends, actual Grinch feet. Like he's got the little sticky up bit. Oh my gosh, I actually screamed. The bottoms are green as well, and inside it's just that beautiful fleecy material. So my feet are gonna be really warm and feel really cozy, and it's just really nice and soft. And I just realised there's like a strand of glitter sewn in, but there's none others. These were actually one of the last ones in the 3 to 5 sizes, because I feel like everyone like me immediately needed these in their lives. So I'm so glad I picked it up. So if you guys do find it, definitely invest. And of course they had like loads of Grinch pajamas as well, like t-shirts, bottoms, like fleece sets, and they have elf ones as well. But I feel like Grinch is just a bit cuter, and I don't need pajamas, and I was tempted to get an elf t-shirt, but I was like, no, you have too many t-shirts, and there wasn't any elf jumpers, which is really sad. But sticking to this theme, I did buy loads of more bits for my room. I have like a rapidly expanding collection of decorations, but when I saw these bits in Primark, I was like, these are so cute and traditional, and I would totally keep these for when I move out and get my own place. And yeah, so just to get this out of the way, I got this £1.50 sort of gift bag. So it literally just says rocking around the Christmas tree with pom-poms, and they have loads of pretty gift bags as well, and I thought this would just be perfect for like family presents and stuff. So I got that, and then I got this little moose. Okay, I saw something like him in Denelm last year, but he was literally like £20. This little guy was £6, and he was the last one. He was amongst all these mice, and I was like, oh my god, he is so cute. He's got like sort of leather style antlers, but they're not actually leather. I think they're just fake leather, and just look at him. I'm gonna put him on top of my shelf, and he's got a really cute scarf and a hat, and I'm going to name him Jim. Jim, or actually, what should I name him? You guys help me decide. Comment below what I should name this little guy, and I will name him that, and he's just gonna go on my shelf. And you will probably see him in my festive room tour, which I'm gonna do at the end of the month, beginning of December time, when I bring all my decorations now from the attic. But yeah, I already know where I'm gonna put him. The next bits are sort of scented bits. So I got a room spray and a sort of pot puree thing. So these are both in the scent Berry Spice. So this one I'm just going to put on my shelf. I thought it's quite sort of sophisticated, smart decoration that you can get from like TK Maxx and stuff. But this was only £4 and comes in a plastic sort of cup. But I thought it looked really, really cute. And it smells, I can smell it through the packaging, but it's quite sort of sweet, spicy. It's really, really nice. And this is the room spray. I love the little decoration. I might keep this and put it somewhere, like hang it. And let's open it up and smell it, because I'm excited. We'll see what it looks like. They have like a whole array of like candles and room sprays and stuff, and of course those are diffusers. And see, cute little one. Let's spray it. It smells like my apple and cinnamon candle. It smells quite good actually. I'm chuffed with that, and this was also £4, so definitely worth the bargain. I can still smell it. Oh, it smells so great. I can't wait to like spray this in my room whenever I do not have a candle burning, which is basically 10% of the time. And then the other things were little bits and bobs. So I also got a tree decoration, which is a little car with a Christmas tree on top. This one looked very sort of Urban Outfitters. I don't know if you guys seen these sort of like plasticky, tinny decorations. They also had donuts, burgers, flamingos, cameras, suitcases. What else do they have? Like cacti. Very Urban Outfitters, but all of them were literally £1.50 each. But my theme is traditional, so I wanted to stick to that sort of thing. This is going to be very sort of 80s themed tree this year, and it's going to sit with my gingerbread man and all the other things I can't remember that I bought for my tree last year. Also got some cute fairy lights. So these are 20 LED lights. They look like the cute multicolored ones that you put on your tree, but they're like tiny miniature versions. And this was £2.50, so it literally just like looks like this, and it's so cute. I already know where I'm gonna put it. I can't wait to have it on my shelves. It's gonna look super cute. I mean, I realise I'm a sucker for fairy lights, so yeah. And luckily I do have spare batteries. Batteries aren't included. And the last thing is £1.50. 30 grams of confetti! So these are literally just gold and white stars. I bought this for my Vlogmas post, like when I do flat lays and stuff with like beauty products and stuff, and I thought they'd be quite cute to have like sprinkled over my marble board when I take photos. So yeah, got those. And that is everything I picked up. So I probably won't be going back to Primark because I feel like with these and everything else that I got last year, I have more than enough to decorate my room with. And yeah, and I definitely can't wait to wear these after I film my video. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you're already raring to go buying everything for Christmas and getting in the festive spirit, I'm so excited I can't speak, then do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below. I upload videos every single Friday. And yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, and I will see you next week. And I am going to edit this video with some Michael Bublé and maybe even a gingerbread latte or hot chocolate, because it's only November the 5th, no the 6th, but I'm already ready to celebrate Christmas. As you couldn't tell from this video, of course. Okay guys, bye!